What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Relentless Shine. Today in the shop, we got a couple of big projects. We'll start over here with this GT86, I think that's what it's called. It's getting full body protection. It's got literally 100 miles on it. It's already got the full front, both doors, rear quarters, roof, and some other things. But today, or for the rest of the day, we're working on the G-Wagon. What we're gonna do is disassemble a little bit here. We're gonna take off the, I don't even know what these are. We're gonna take these light bezels off. We're gonna take off the grill guards so we can get to this bumper, headlights, and some of these other small pieces. So we're doing a full front. We're also doing all four doors, and we're gonna be doing all four of the flares. So we're not necessarily going for only rock chips, we're going for door dings, which is why we're not doing the actual rear quarter panel, because this is gonna get hit by a door before this does. Now, it's gonna be with our lifetime warranted self-healing top-coated film. We've got patterns cut out for these doors. That's what we're gonna try to knock out on film today. So we gotta get at it before 5:30 comes around.